Public service announcement, don't take this video too seriously. Alright guys, we're here today with quite possibly the cringiest video we have ever made. It is Eminem versus MGK.
MGK, I don't know what kind of beef you got with me, but it's time we settle this once and for all. Listen to me, I'm gonna teach you how to really skate. Here we go. My name is Eminem, I'm gonna do an ollie. Everybody knows that I'm hot like tamale. Is it better than you? You know it's true. Who is this fool? He ain't nobody. I skate every day, gonna stay great. Stay strong in the game, never quit till I checkmate. Got this far just to raise the bar. Prove you wrong in the song if you thought it was lightweight. Heard MLK, you've been making waves, making fun of my puns and my crazy ways. I started this war that I take it too far. As far as I'm concerned, I just paved the way. Yeah, I'm so good, better than chocolate cake. You've been sleeping while I stayed awake. I'm unique, I'm a freak, cause I stayed away from the same old things every day to day. Who's the one to teach you how to better skate? Who's the one to teach you how to flip a tray? All I'm trying to do is improve the game, while most of y'all just keep it the same. Cause I always been number one in my class, living in the future while you're stuck in the past. Ain't going nowhere, I'm here to last. Carry juice up in my glass. Catch me and you see something different, cause I always stay persistent. Yeah, that's right, I'm real ambitious. Here we go, cause I'm on a mission. Eminem, how dare you? I'ma teach you how to really skate. Are you ready? Watch and learn, boy. Machine Gun Kelly is my name, the best skater in the game. I'm tatted up, you know I'm crazy. You're a rapper from the 80s. Hope you pay attention, I'ma take it to the next level. Up on the streets, playing tricks like a skate devil. Skating to the track, yeah, let me skate to that. Never looking back, you know that that's a fact. You see me on that YouTube, you can't look away now. Haters gonna hate, but I'm just gonna skate. At the Braille house, what up, dog? Got all these boards up on that wall. Fetty Potter's hella tall, popping trays like he don't fall. And all my homies skate a lot. I got a board that is made of glass. What if I even skate a bat? Yes, cause we always do like that. Nice, so nice, so nice. Land on 360 right. Got carry juice in my mind, giving this pizza a bite. Just hit a rock, I'm in flight. Bigfoot board, here we go, skate it. Every trick in the book, I done did it. Look at me skate every day, I might win it. You on the floor, Dan, looking like a chicken.
This is like 1993 Eminem, when the clothes are still baggy. Yes, I'm gonna slay this punk. I hope this gets the attention of Eminem and he comes to the Braille house and skates with us.
Yo, you missed your trick. Let's talk about it.
Oh, the Tim! I'm gonna slay him. Just can't! Tims are so hard to skate in. That's A. Sorry, we're coming back.
Let's not wrap this game up too fast.
One more try.
He's got some real flow. I don't know what's going on with you today.
I'm gonna ice this fool.
You got anything to say?
Punk can't skate switch, he's got a hurt foot.
Why are you so mad?
said he stood up.
It all comes down to this.
The question is it socially acceptable for Eminem to not win?
We know you can hard flip, but let's talk about it.
Oh, he's in it!
Defense!
So it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
All right.
The finisher!
Still my idol, though.
Kill shot!
Yeah, I ain't gonna challenge you again.
I hope you guys had a blast watching this video. We had a blast making this video. Who do you think won the beef in real life? Leave it in the comments below. I'm excited to read through and see what you guys think. And like always, thank you for your continued help and support. Don't take this video too seriously. It is just a video and we're just having fun skating. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.